everyone, Studio Films here, and today I was planning on making a fishing video here at Ray Roberts Lake where I'm at right now, but that didn't really work out because I didn't catch any fish. But you know, maybe next time. I've actually never had luck at this place, but I do have something pretty darn interesting that I have to show you. There's right now I'm like sitting at like this picnic table pavilion thingy, and there's just ants swarming everywhere. And I think what happened was a wasp died. And as you can see right here, there are ants swarming all over that. I'm gonna try to maybe get a better angle. Sorry, it's not a great angle, but it's just kind of insane. They're swarming everywhere. There's ants here on the cooler that I'm sitting on top of. They're climbing up my legs. That is just super disgusting right there, but also cool at the same time. I think the wasp might be slightly alive and it's trying to fend itself off with that one leg right there. Its front, I guess it's its front right leg. It's pretty kind of crazy. Sorry the color's not great. It's getting kind of dark. But that's just insane. I think it's so cool when I see ants doing stuff like that, because they're all so small, but when they all work together, they can do like crazy stuff. Like, I think they're gonna try to move this wasp to wherever their, I don't know, ant mound? Yeah, wherever their mound is. And, yeah, so that's just a little cool thing I wanted to show you guys. And, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. So, yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.